This simple fruit dip is an easy no-bake treat and is perfect for bringing to any picnic, party, or just having around the house to eat. Eat this fruit dip with any fruit, cookies, or graham crackers. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl, add 1 softened 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I recommend using a block of cream cheese for this recipe. Mix the cream cheese on a medium speed using a hand or stand mixer until it is fully mixed together. If you would like to cut the calories, use a lower fat cream cheese to make this fruit dip. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of confectioner sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Continue mixing on a medium speed until the ingredients are mixed in. This fruit dip is perfect to eat in those warmer months, and I love that you can always adjust the sweetness of it. Scrape down the bowl and make sure the mixture is smooth. In a separate bowl, add 8 ounces of heavy cream to make homemade whipped cream. Using a hand mixer on a medium speed, mix until the heavy cream thickens and stiff peaks start to form. This will take about 5 to 8 minutes. Add the whipped cream mixture to the cream cheese mixture and mix together until it is blended. If you are short on time, you can always use a small container of Cool Whip instead of making homemade whipped cream. Use a spatula and scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl to make sure everything is mixed together. If the dip is not sweet enough, I found that adding 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice was the perfect amount of sweetness. If you love this fruit dip, check the video description below for a link to see how to make an easy pumpkin dip. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.